Have you been trying to change something in your life or manifest something new and you're getting really frustrated with it? So maybe you've been trying to manifest a job for a really long time or a relationship for a really long time. And it feels like no matter what you do, no matter how hard you try, no matter how many affirmations you do or vision boards you do, things aren't changing. Well, today I'm going to share with you a little secret that will allow you to change your reality doing absolutely nothing. And the secret with this is really in accepting what's actually going on. This is something I stumbled on way back in my manifestation practice. And it's something that I've seen time and time and time again. Whenever you're dealing with something where you're just finding yourself unable to manifest change, acceptance of your current situation is magic. Okay, it will change everything. And so today I've got a little story for you. This is something that happened just a couple days ago. And it's one story of many that I have. Okay. But I think it's really good at illustrating the point of how accepting is what will change your reality. Now, the beauty about accepting things is that when you learn how to become a good acceptor of what is, it means you don't have to try. It means you don't have to work harder. It means you don't have to think differently. It means you can just keep doing exactly what you're doing and easily make a change. Now, before I get into this story, of course, my name is Andrea Schulman. I've been teaching people about the law of attraction, consciousness, and spirituality for over 10 years now. And if you enjoy this kind of content when you're done with this video, feel free to check out the link to my membership program and see if it's something you might be interested in. Over 1,100 people have joined this community. And in this program, you'll learn how to stop resetting your manifestations. So you can get them one time and you don't have to keep going over and over again. You'll also stay aligned long enough for your life to change and become the version of you who actually gets what you want. So if you're interested in learning more about that program, again, there'll be a link below in the description. Check that out at the end of the video. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, so this was something that I saw just a couple days ago. It has happened to me in many different ways. Okay, but this is the most recent one. So this is a story, if you watch my channel, that you have not heard yet. So as you may or may not know, I love to go to the gym. Okay, so you can probably tell. I love to go to the gym. I love to work out. And so I do keep an eye on my physique. All right. And so something I was noticing was over the last month or so, I was carrying a couple extra pounds. Now, not a lot. Okay. I don't think I'm overweight. It's not like an eating problem. All right. But just a couple more pounds than I typically like to hold on to. And it was starting to bug me. It was starting to bug me. Now it's just a couple of pounds. But every day I would get up and look at the scale and I'd be like, I wonder what's going on. And I'd try to change my diet a little bit and the weight stayed. And I'd try to think differently about it and the weight stayed. And then finally, okay, just a few days ago, I remembered, oh yeah, when something is stuck, you want to find a way to accept it because acceptance is the shift. Acceptance will actually trigger the change. Okay. So what I did was I decided to figure out how to accept that 2 extra pounds. Okay. Now again, this isn't a big deal. All right. But when you find yourself stuck with something, you want to find a way to accept it. And so what I've learned to do is that I try to look at the positive of whatever it is. Okay. So whatever it is that I want to change, I want to find out and I want to think about why is it perfect exactly the way it is? Okay, that's the trick. So I sat there and I thought about it and I was like, you know what? Right now, I've got a lot going on. I actually have a lot of things going on in my life right now, a lot of transitions that I don't even have time to talk about on this video. And I hope to share soon with all you guys. But I have just a lot going on in my life right now. And I've noticed that when I'm really lean, I'm often more tired. I don't have as much energy. So I thought about that. I was like, you know what? With a couple extra pounds of fat on me, I'm going to have a little bit more energy, which is really great because I need energy right now to get through all this stuff that I'm going through right now. Another thing that I noticed is that when I'm really lean, a lot of times I don't have as much fat like in my face, okay? So I start to look more gaunt. And when I have a little bit extra weight on me, my face fills out a little bit nicer. I look a little bit more youthful. And so I told myself that, this 2 extra pounds is good because it's helping fill out your features. It's making you look a little bit softer, a little bit more youthful. And I really thought about those two things. And so, I got on the scale and the weight was still there. I'm like, you know what? Good thing, because I need this extra energy right now and it's helping me look youthful. Okay. Didn't change anything else. Didn't change my diet. Didn't change my exercise. Didn't try to affirm that I was going to lose weight or anything like that. And the very next day, when I stepped on the scale, what do you think happened? The weight went down. The 2 pounds was gone. And the funny thing was, the night before, I actually ate a little bit more than usual. I think I had a bowl of ice cream or something that I wouldn't usually do. And I stepped on the scale and the weight had gone away. Okay? Why? Because I accepted what was. And I have seen this time and time again. Okay? You've probably seen it too. Maybe you've been wanting a relationship to work or trying to get an ex back, and you've been working at it. And finally, when you say, you know what, it's fine, he is gone, no big deal. That's the day he calls. That's the day he texts. That's the day he wants you back. Maybe you've been waiting for a job to call you back and to see if you actually get the job, and you've been worried about it. And finally, you're like, you know what? It's okay. I'll just go put in some other interviews somewhere else. It's fine as it is. And you accept the fact that the job offer hasn't come. That's the day that they call with the job offer. And so accepting what is, radical acceptance of what is a very powerful tool to have in your manifesting arsenal. And it requires you to do almost nothing. All you want to sit there and think about is when you're stuck on something, you want to ask yourself, if I never got this thing, if it never came, why would my life be great? Not why would it be okay, but why would my life be great? And so just like I did in that example, you want to think about why not having what you want is actually benefiting you. And you want to sit there and think about it. Now, this is a fun thing to practice. I like the example that I just gave you because it wasn't a big one. It wasn't like trying to manifest a job or a career change or the love of your life. And I do recommend that you start using this acceptance idea on some of the smaller things that you want. Okay, so if you're getting stuck in traffic, okay, or maybe you're having a disagreement with a friend, something that you want to see change with, but it doesn't seem to be changing, try to find a way to radically accept it exactly as it is. And a very magical thing will happen, which is that the change will naturally occur. Now, the reason why this works is that when you radically accept something that you don't like, you actually alchemize it in your own mind. Before you accept it, what you're essentially telling the universe is, this thing is bad and I don't like this thing. Okay. So in other words, these 2 pounds are bad and I don't like them. These 2 pounds are bad and I don't like them. And that's what I was projecting. Okay. So what will continue to happen is they will continue to show up in a way that I don't like. So I step on the scale and I'm upset. I step on the scale and I'm upset. Why? Because I've already decided that those 2 pounds are bad. So they will reflect back to me in a way that I don't like. But the second you say, I'm going to accept this, what you're saying now to the universe is, this is good. Okay, so the 2 extra pounds is giving me more energy. It's making me more youthful. 2 extra pounds is good. 2 extra pounds is good. Now, when I step on the scale after doing this, the message now is the 2 pounds are good. So now the reflection has to come back to me in a way that is pleasing. Okay, so that's why all of a sudden when I look down, the weight's gone, because that actually pleases me more to look at the scale and for the weight to be gone. It's a very interesting thing. And I do want you to start practicing this, if you haven't, with smaller things, a pound of weight, Okay, again, traffic is in a traffic jam, or you're having an argument with a friend, or you can't find the right outfit to wear. Small stuff like that. Start to practice radical acceptance. And what will happen magically is the second you really feel good with it, it will magically change. Now, if you like tips like this on how to manifest your best life, again, I would really recommend that you check out my membership program and see if it's a good fit for you. It's not a program that's affiliated with YouTube. It's on my own app and website, but over 1,100 people have joined so far. And in this program, I'm going to show you how to stop resetting your manifestations. Okay, put them out one time and get them. Stay aligned long enough for your life to change and become the version of you who gets the things that you want. So again, if you're interested in learning more about my membership program, go ahead and check out the link below in the description. In addition to that, if you are new to my work and you have not yet taken my free manifesting test, please do. Okay, this is a very quick and free 5-minute test where you can put something out and watch it come back so that you know with certainty that you really are the creator of your own reality. To take that test now, please go to manifestingtest.com. Again, that is manifestingtest.com. I will also put the link below in the description to that one, but manifestingtest.com is the direct link. Thanks so much for watching today's video on how to get what you want by accepting what is. I really hope that you enjoyed it. And of course, look forward to bringing you another one soon.